It's a beautiful collection of flowers, and I love traveling, and I love two states in India, Kashmir and Kerala, and I like Kashmir very much. My wife, my two sons, and I traveled entire India, and also we traveled Kashmir also, and you will find lots of flowers there. But this is a local one with a collection of flowers. I am passionate about traveling. And the Honorable Prime Minister of India, Sri Narendra Modi, encourages tourism, and by encouraging tourism, we can raise the standard of living of the local people. I traveled in various aircrafts in India, especially in the Mi-17 helicopters, and I traveled because I served in the Indian Air Force for around 13 years. Although I still belong to a lower middle class family, I love traveling because traveling helps see the outside world. Traveling is to lead. Traveling opens the window to the outside world. And I love gardening, but I am not able to do it because I don't have access to garden, because gardening is also a good hobby because it's a stress buster. Because I traveled entire India in different places, I didn't have the opportunity to plant. But hopefully, when I buy my own home or buy a independent house, I'll be able to pursue the hobby of gardening. Gardening is a great thing. It's a nice thing. I am a survivor of brain stroke in the year 2021. I survived because of my positive psychology, because of the power of subconscious mind, and because of the healthy habits that I acquired from Indian Air Force. I am a late bloomer, dyslexic with OCD and ADHD. So lots of health issues I am having, and I have mental challenges, physical challenges, and financial challenges. I am 60 years old with lots of challenges, but I survived because of my positivity and because of the power of gratitude. So express gratitude so that you can overcome any kind of challenges. Avoid toxic people and surround with good people and great people and positive people. So it's drizzling now, and I shot this video when it is drizzling. See, you will find a beautiful collection of flowers, pots, really very splendid collection of flowers here. So enjoy the beautiful collection of flowers here. Life is beautiful and flowers are beautiful, and I don't know the names of all flowers. So I hope you will like this video and share with your social network. One of the hobbies is to hit the gym regularly, and also after the advent of social media, I started sharing videos apart from sharing my knowledge. My vision is to build 1 million students as global leaders by 2030. So far I have trained more than 50,000 students as global leaders. It's a non-profit initiative I have initiated. Dr. Kiran Bedi has written a foreword for this book titled Vision 2030, 1 million global leaders. And I have dedicated this book to Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam because I admire him a lot. So after the brain stroke, things have gone worse. In the year 2021, gradually I am recovering, I am able to walk. But my right hand is numb, there is no sense to my right hand. I am not able to type with my right hand. So lots of challenges. I survived. I am grateful to God for giving this opportunity to see beautiful flowers here. Great an exciting location here. Unique flowers here. I don't know the names of all flowers. So sometimes I am stammering, sometimes I am repeating the same thing because of the brain stroke. I am using blood thinner. So lots of challenges. So I want to spread positivity in people and express my gratitude and enjoy. I hope you will see this video and share with your network. Thank you for subscribing to my YouTube channel with gratitude.